In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to create a sequence in Apollo.io, which is a powerful tool for managing outreach and automating follow-ups. A sequence helps you reach leads effectively by organizing email and call touch points. So first, make sure you are on the Apollo.io and make sure you are logged into your account. So once you are logged in, navigate the Sequences tab on the left-hand menu. And then after that, you can now click on the plus create sequence button at the upper right corner. And then in here, click a sequence in here in order to create. And as you can see in here, I click the from scratch. So once you click on that, give your sequence a clear and recognizable name, such as, for example, January outreach campaign or follow up for web leads. And then so as you can see in here, I name it as job done, and then just simply click the create button and it will proceed you to the sequence page. Now click the add map and then select any steps that you want to add in your sequence. So after that, so once the sequence is set up, you can click the add recipients to include your target audience. So use Apollo's filter to find the right leads, such as by industry, location, or job title. And then after that, you can select the leads and add them to your sequence. And now, to configure sequence settings such as email sending times or enable or disable features like auto pausing for replies, you can review your sequence to ensure the steps align with your goals. So, after that, once everything is ready, click the Start Sequence button or the Save button in order to start or activate the sequence, and then you can now monitor progress in the Analytics tabs where you can use or see open rates, click rates, and reply rates. And that's it. That's how to create a sequence in Apollo.io. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.